Hi, today I'm going to show you how to solve problem 29 from the 2019 Math Kangaroo, grades 5 to 6. Here's the problem. Linus builds a 4x4x4 cube using 32 white and 32 black 1x1x1 cubes. He arranges the cube so that as much of his large cube as possible is white. What fraction of the surface of his cube is white? So the cube is going to look something like this. And the cube was going to be made up of 64 small cubes, 32 white, 32 black. So it'll be like So the cube is going to look something like that. And here are all the small cubes. So we want to know what fraction of the surface of the cube is white. So if we want to know the fraction, we can just find out the surface area that is white divided by total surface area. So that's what we're looking to find. So let's start by figuring out the total surface area. So a cube has 6 faces, and the surface area is the area of each face, and we sum all of those up. So here, each face is a square that's 4x4, and there are 6 of them. So the 4x4 square has an area of 16, and we have 6 of them. So the total surface area is equal to 6 times 16, or 96. So now we know this, and all that's left to figure out is the white surface area. So in the problem, we know that Linus wants to maximize the white surface area, make it as large as possible. So we can figure out how Linus would do that. Well, we know that Linus isn't going to want to have any white cubes in the middle, because in the middle of the cube, there's no faces that would be visible on the cube, and you wouldn't want to waste any white cubes and put them in the middle, because that doesn't contribute to the white surface area. So when we count the surface area, it's not all the outer cubes are equal, because if we look here at this corner cube, this would get counted 3 times in the surface area. Once as part of this face, once as part of this face, and once as part of this face. So Linus is definitely going to want to make the corners white, since they get counted 3 times. The edges here get counted twice. So like this one will get counted on this face and on this face. And anything in the middle, like this one, is just going to get counted once on whatever face it's on. So first, Linus is going to want to make sure that all the corners are white, and all the edges are white, and then as much of whatever is left as possible. So there are 32 white cubes. It says that over there. The other 32 are black. And there's 8 corners, and they're all white, because we want to maximize that. Now we'll look at the edges. Well, there are 12 total edges, and each edge has 2 squares on it, if you get rid of the 2 at the corners, and we want to get rid of those since we've already counted them. So that's 12 times 2, and that's 24 white edges. And at this point we have 8 plus 24, that already sums to 32. So we can't make any of the inner squares be black. So out of the total area of 96, now using this information here, we want to figure out how much of the surface area is white. Measure the white surface area. So to do this, we can figure out the white surface area on any given face. And that's going to be the same here, since we know that all the corners and all the edges are white and none of the squares in the middle are white. So if we look at this face, for example, this is a corner, and this are corners. These two here, all of these are going to be white. These two are edges, these two are edges, these two are edges, these two are edges, and these 4 are the corners. These 4 in the middle here are going to be black. And so 12, we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 out of the 16 on each face are going to be white. And this is the same for all 6 faces. So the white surface area, right there, is going to be equal to 12 times 6, and 12 times 6 is equal to 72. So the white surface area over the total surface area, now we have both numbers, 72 divided by 96. And we can simplify that to be 3/4. That's answer choice D. Thank you.